Hi guys, this is going to be a fun unboxing. It's about Vive, the HTC Vive. I did try the Oculus, I did try the Samsung Gear, I have them, but I kind of ended up buying and keeping the HTC Vive. For now, let's just do an unboxing. We will go through into a detailed setup and review, which would tell you about why I ended up keeping the HTC Vive. Alright guys, let's get right into it. This was a big, huge box. That's why I'm doing the unboxing on the floor. Let's open up my trusted Swiss knife and cut off the tape. There we are. Let's open this guy up. There we go. So as soon as we open it up, we are greeted with some literature. Pretty big single page literature. It talks about how to set it up, the getting started part. So put it away. Then we move on to here, the two controllers. I really like the shape of these controllers. They're ergonomic. I like how they feel, and they give you both a controller as well as that gun kind of a feel, if you know what I'm saying. And yeah, I like them. Moving on, we have the two lighthouses. These are what track your headset as well as your controllers. Then I'm assuming this is the headset. Yes, it is. Ah, there we are. So here we go, is the headset. Pretty comfortable, as I've used it before with a long wire. There's a camera in the front, there are a bunch of sensors all around it. Though I would have hoped for one sensor in the back, but I guess we'll talk about it during the review. Anything else in here? Oh, there's something here. This box looks like it has... Okay. This is the power brick for, I'm assuming, the hub. Yeah, it is a power brick for the hub. Here is the hub itself with a no-slip guard. This is where you connect the headset. This is where you connect the power in ports and USB. We go on. What is this? Come on. Oh, this is another cushion for the headset. It says narrow face. Oh, that's new. I don't remember seeing this before. Anywho, anything else in there? Yep. Some cleaning cloth. I reckon this is the HDMI cable, some more literature. It's a warranty card, English, French, Spanish, quite a bit in this box. That's it. Here is a, what is this again? Let's see, let's open this guy up. It looks like it's a USB to USB line. And this, I'm assuming, is the headphone. Yeah, it is a headphone. Pretty nifty little headphone. Let's unwrap this guy for you. I won't be using this guy, but, well, bunch of rubber ear pods, and this is how the headphones look. Oh, they are really short. Okay, let's see if there's anything else. This side is empty. There's just something in here. Oh, there we go. Okay, bubble wrap, some more literature about base station mounting guide, and this is, these are the mounts for the lighthouses. We've got the screws that go into the wall, the rubber gamuts, and the holders themselves. Here, let me show you one. This side goes to the wall, and here's where the lighthouse connects. Okay. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, that's a long wire. It's a really long audio to audio cable. And also, these are the lighthouse adapters, the power bricks for the lighthouses. So these should be 2 of them. Yep, that's the second one. And that's that. Anything on this side? Come on. Oh, there is quite a bit of stuff in here. So this is a USB to micro USB cable. And this is again a USB to micro USB cable. So these cables are typically used, one, to charge the controllers. So the micro USB side goes into the back of the controller here, and these are used to charge the controller as well as update the firmware on the controller, while the headset, the firmware upgrade is done via wireless. And these should be the power bricks for the controllers, I assume. Yep, again 2 of them. Okay, I hope that's it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, finally done. So that was the unboxing for you guys. Let me know if I missed something. I will go into a setup video as well as a review of what I feel about it. I'll show you a few gameplays also. And that's about it. See you in the setup video.